Greetings, health enthusiasts and culinary explorers. We're delving into the realm of millet and cinnamon today, a dynamic duo that's not just a feast for the palate, but also a powerhouse of health benefits. We're also going to whip up a delectable breakfast recipe with these two stars that will fuel your day with sustained energy. So strap in for a journey of flavors and health. Millet and cinnamon, when combined, form a synergy of benefits that can supercharge your health. Millet, a humble grain, is packed with fiber, protein, and magnesium. It's also gluten-free, making it a boon for those with gluten sensitivities. It does wonders for your digestive health and keeps your heart ticking strong. Cinnamon, on the other hand, is a spice that needs no introduction. It's hailed for its anti-inflammatory properties and its impressive ability to help regulate blood sugar levels. It's a spice that not only adds warmth and sweetness to your dishes, but also contributes to your overall well-being. When these two come together, they offer metabolic support. This combination can rev up your metabolism and facilitate a healthier lifestyle. Now let's move on to the exciting part, the breakfast recipe. You'll need 1 cup of millet, 2 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, fresh fruits of your choice for topping, a handful of nuts or seeds, and honey or maple syrup to taste. Start by cooking the millet in water until it absorbs all the liquid and becomes soft. Then add cinnamon to the cooked millet and mix thoroughly. Finally, top your millet and cinnamon mixture with fresh fruits, nuts or seeds, and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup. There you have it, a breakfast that's not only robust in flavor, but also teeming with nutrients. This millet and cinnamon breakfast dish is an excellent way to kickstart your day, providing you with long-lasting energy and a myriad of health benefits. We encourage you to try this recipe and share your experiences. What other innovative ways have you used millet and cinnamon in your meals? Your insights are valuable, so don't hesitate to share them in the comments. And remember, if you're always on the hunt for more healthy cooking inspiration and tasty recipes, do subscribe to our channel, share this video, and become a part of our ever-growing community. Until next time, eat well, live well, and stay well.